Hello guys, good morning. This is Blaze Bar TV. It's another video tutorial. So today's video, I will teach you how to change language of Honor 9, Honor Tablet 9. I know some of you having difficulties of changing language of Honor Tablet 9. This physical keyboard Honor Smart keyboard. So this time if we want to change language like that, this is a English word language or autocorrections language, default language. So today, I will teach you how to change the change the keyboard language of this Honor. Mm-hmm. Okay, you can see here. I can change any kinds of language if you want to select that one. Like that. It's Arabic. Let's go back to the let's go back to the Chrome. See? It's already changing the language. So this time, maybe some of you this kind of language, Arabic, having the difficulty to change this language. So I will teach you the step by step how to change Honor tablet, Honor 9 tablet. So we need to find the settings. See on the lower section of this dashboard, the system update. You need to select that one. And then after we select that one, we can go here at language and input on the right side corner of this uh, dashboard. You can see language and input. We need to select language and input, guys. So after we select and tap the language and input, Microsoft key Shift key keyboard, we need to select this one, Microsoft Shift key keyboard. This is the step by step, guys. Follow step by step. And then here, another options, we need to select T, the T icon or typing, that one. After we select the T icon and typing, we need to find the physical keyboard. So, physical keyboard. So, if, take note guys, if we adjust the physical keyboard, it does not affect on the screen keyboard. So, it's okay to go for the settings of the physical keyboard because it doesn't affect the on-screen keyboard. So, now we need to find, after we select that one, we need to find Android settings on the lower sections of this set options. Android settings. Here we go. Honor Smart Keyboard. Okay. We need to select auto to return on the default options. Okay, so let's test. Let's test. Backspace and time future. I'm not promoting YouTube, but just as a sample. YouTube. Okay, all goods. Guys, Hopefully that you learn something on my tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share on my YouTube channel. I'm happy to accept you on and welcome you on my YouTube channel, guys. This is my YouTube channel, Blaze Fire TV. Blaze Fire TV. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share on my YouTube channel, Blaze Fire TV. Okay, guys, we need to have a recap of our tutorial. Let's go to settings. This settings is applicable only on the Honor tablet, Honor 9. Honor 9 tablet. Honor 9. Rather. Honor 9. System updates, language input. This is a recap. Microsoft keyboard. Select the typing. And we need to find the physical keyboard. Android settings. And Honor Smart Keyboard. And here we go, the options. All options are here. We can choose Arabic, English US, and auto for the default options of this physical keyboard of this Honor tablet. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day and God bless to all. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell button for more updates.